Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to tie this small tape round gele, but this is going to be more or less like a get ready with me chatty kind of video. So I remember way back when my mom was cool, whenever she wants to go for an event, maybe like a wedding or a church function where she needs to dress up, and she would sit in front of a mirror and try to style a gele herself, you know. However, she wasn't perfect with it, but then, you know, her personality and her creativity usually kills through, depending on her mood. You see, sometimes she gets them right, sometimes it just looks awkward. But bottom line, it was a way of expressing her personality. Now, I noticed that the trend is when you go for parties, you see everybody wearing the same material. Maybe they have different styles, but the same kind of gele. And I'm like, why? Because we all look like clones of each other. You know, there's nothing creative about the gele. So I was happy when this small trend gele, this twist and turn, very easy to tie twist and turn gele came around. I'm like, oh yes, finally. So today I'm going to be showing you how to tie the twist and turn gele. So first thing first, there are three variations, three different styles that I can get out of this twist and turn gele. So I'm going to be showing you the three different styles. Meanwhile, you know, going to parties in Lagos is not cheap. You have to spend money. So it means that if you want to go for an event, for instance, you have to buy the ashebi. If you are a bride's friend, ashebi and gele. If it's Ankara, this is like, for my friend, this is like 10K. And then showing this, and I didn't get to work for the event, it's 7,000 naira. Then I normally don't like to drive to weddings because they can actually block your car and then you spend almost hours trying to get the driver. So I usually like to take another means of transportation, which is either the car, taxi or Uber. It's another 7,000, 5,000, depending on the location. So they're already looking at spending 5,000. So most times when you're going for an event, if you can cut down cost on something, why not? Maybe you pull ride with your friend, or maybe you do the gele yourself and do the makeup yourself, or give the tailor the outfit weeks before. You know, that kind of, so that doesn't become too much of a bother, because almost Lagos parties, they are not easy. So first thing first, this gele is a full gele. Like I need to move back so you can see. It's a full length gele, so it's really long. This is what it looks like. So for very long gele like that, if we're going to tie this style, I'm going to, like I said, I'm going to do three variations. Now we're going to have the double twist that you can turn it around twice, and then you can have, then I'll do the single one and then the one that has been. So three different variations, the same style, so you can decide on what you want. So I like to fold the gele into two equal halves. This is what it looks like. Then I fold it into two equal halves all the way down, like that. Okay, so I have it folded into two equal halves all the way down. Okay, then I now come, this is how you know the front of the gele. This weave here is supposed to be inside. This weave is supposed to be inside, and this is the outside. So if you are tying, make sure that you are tying the outside. So that's the folding out like that. So this is it. So now I want to make it, I want to fold it two times. So I need to make just enough. This place that is joined is coming forward. I like to cover my hair all the time, like, so that when I push it back, it looks a bit nicer. So I start from here, I get started from here. So I start from here. So this gele now, because I need it to go round twice, I'm going to just leave enough to be on my shoulder, like that. So I'm going to start from here. Then cover the hair, lay it flat, like that. My hair is packed, so it's easy for me to, because I'm going to allow my hair come through. So like this. And then I go. So I'm still going to show you what I'm doing at the back. Covered nicely, my hair is covered nicely. So, and then I have my hair coming through, the center part. So that's the little, that's how I want it to. Then I have this other long part. So this is where we now start twisting. So this is what I have at the back. So I have this one. So I have this one up on top of it, and I have this other long one coming over it. Get. So we start. So this is kind of like to use to put this one down, and then so that it doesn't come off. You get. So once this step is secure, once you have secured this step, is easier. Me twisting now. So just take it. So the twisting is a function of how you want it. If you want it very tight, if you don't want it very tight, so you just go ahead and do what you want. So I twist it all the way, you know, then I take it like that. So I can drop the one, this hand now, I can drop this hand, and then go hand. So I didn't even put pleats or anything, because I didn't want to have pleats on it or whatever. So just go ahead and, like I said, it's supposed to be a freestyle kind of thing. So it's nothing, no add and fast food to it. Just enjoy. So I have it first. This is my one. So at the back, I hook it down with this, and then I go. So you can see this one is here, and then I go again. So I twist again. So, and then I twist again, and then I twist it again, and then I go. So it's a function of how you want it now. You can put it on top of each other like this. You can put it on top of each other like this, or you can cross it like this, like to cross it, or you can just put it on top of each other. Okay, so that you can form like a second layer, if that is what you want. So like I said, for this gele there are really no rules, just a function of how you want it to look. So, and then I can like squeeze it together here and use a pin to hold it in place so that it doesn't come off. And I cannot find my pin. Okay, so pause. So, like I said, you can decide to double it. So I'm just going to double it and then take it from all the way to the back. So, okay. So that's it. So now I can't tie because it will not allow me to tie. So what I'll do is I'll use a pin to hold it together. So even when I'm dancing, it's in place. So I have a pin here. So I'll just use one pin to hold it, to tack it in place, and that's about it. So, let's see, just to be on the safe side, let me secure it another. One more for security reasons, just because I don't want to be dancing and it comes up. So I'm super sure now that I can't come off, and then that's what we have. So this is one variation to it. You can have it like this to your party. This is double layer, and then you can do the other layer. So what do you think? What do you think? So what do you think? This is actually nice. And this is freestyle. You can add plates if you want to, but this is just me. Like I said, freestyle, very easy to tie and you're good to go. So this is the double on top of each other. You can, if you do not understand what I have done, you can go back and check it and then pause the video, watch it and all. So let me do the other variation there is to it. So this is the 2 layer on top. Like I said, you can, when you're coming the other way, you can cross it if you want to, whatever. Bring it from here or bring from the back and cross it. Let me do that so that I can actually see that variation to it as well. So I take off the pins so I don't get to injure myself. So these are the 2 days. So I can just, that's one. I can just decide to come like this. I can just decide to come like this, like a cross. Oh, let me come from the back. So I come like this and then bring it forward. So that's another way of looking at it. So I pin it. That's all. Make sure it's secure. Pin it. This is very, very easy. And for the other style, the other variation, it's still the same way you tie, but this time around you have more end to play with at the other side. So instead of making it to be around your here, you can make it to be way down your shoulder. Can you see? Because this doesn't need to be that long to go round just once. So that's what I'll do. And then leave it down, cross it. Okay, so for the back now, cross. one comes here. This long one stays on your left. So I arrange my hair back. So after I come forward, I cover both ears. So I have this longer hand, and then I have this other one by my left. So I twist the left. I can put this one down now and twist this one again, like we did the other time. So just twist. So it doesn't have to be hardcore twist. It could be softer twist to make it look a bit more, whatever. You know, like the last one I really twisted it very hard. So this time around I don't want it twisted so hard so that I can see the. So this has to be firm, and then you come like this. So can you see? So this is not so tight, and then so you come. So the other part that is left is what you just take off, and then like I have a bump here, I can just. The part I just did, I can just twist again and then just put it inside. Now, inside where my hair is, and just tuck it in. The same thing this one. You can tie. So because you just want to have layer on themselves, so you just tie, secure the piece, and then tuck in. So that's what I have. So this is just one layer. So you can move the gele back if you want to. And then that's about it. What do you think? Aren't we party ready? So that's it. So this is the one style, and then I have the last style. It's quite easy, it's that easy to tie. So I'm going to show you the last variation, and then we're going to round it up for the day. And the last one, this same base that we have, is what we're going to use. Same crossing. I'm not loosening it all the way. Just make sure that your ears are secure. That's all. Okay, firmly, and then you come like that. So this one is going like we had it the first time, and then cross. Let me move back a bit. Cross it like that, and then this one you can twist halfway like this, and then when you get twist halfway like this, and then when you get to the middle you can open up. If I still have pins somewhere around here, just stick it. When it gets to the middle here, you can open it up. So I try to make it into pleats. Yeah. So this is it. So you open it like I'm trying to layer it now. Okay, so can you see? And then you tuck it in. But me, I like to secure with a pin just in case you're dancing and you're active and it comes up. So just secure with a pin as well. Secure with a pin. And then that's it. So you just kind of like give it a bit of definition. So whatever variation you decide to do with this, it's your style. You get, so you can come up with this again, just to twist it, just to lock it in if you want to, and then you pin as well. Or do you understand? Like if you don't want it tied at the back, you just pin it in and just tuck it in. Okay, so I'm tucking it in and then I'll still pin. So that's tucked in, and then I'll just take a pin and secure it together, just because I don't want to be dancing and feel like so all this securing, yeah, securing, you can still see the pin. Okay, so that's it. So you can bring it down between. Okay, this is what we did. We took the first long hand all the way to this place, and then we tucked it. We took it twice. So the second time we're going, we tucked it in, and then we tried to bring out the pleats. Then the other loose hand that we had here, I used it to tuck in at the middle here. So just look for a way of making it look neat. That's the bottom line. So that you have it looking all twist torn and then tuck in somewhere, and then use pin to secure, just to be on the safe side. So what do you think? Hey. So what do you think? This is the third pattern. This is the third style I said I was going to make it into. So we had the first one, which was the double twist. We had the second, which was single twist, and we have this third one, which is the double twist, and then we have the gele. So let me know if you find this gele very easy to tie, and if you find it a bit challenging, please drop your comment in the comment section. I will get around to that. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and you know I love you. Bye.